Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road networks. In Gurgaon Sector 44, the presence of these surveyors is essential to ensure the smooth functioning of the highways. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to collect data related to the highways in this area. By doing so, they gather information about the condition of the roads, traffic patterns, and any potential hazards that may need to be addressed. The role of highway surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 is particularly important due to the rapid urbanization and development happening in this region. As new infrastructure projects are being undertaken, it is vital to have accurate data about the existing highways. This information helps in planning and designing new roadways or making improvements to the existing ones. Highway surveyors use advanced equipment and techniques to measure and map out the highways, capturing details such as elevation, slopes, and alignments. One company that specializes in highway surveying in Gurgaon Sector 44 is SCON Design. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying technologies. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate and reliable data in the field of highway development. Their surveyors are equipped with state-of-the-art instruments like total stations, DGP devices, and laser scanners to ensure precise measurements and data collection. SCON Design's highway surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 follow a systematic approach to their work. They begin by conducting a preliminary survey to identify the boundaries and characteristics of the highway area. This helps them establish control points for future measurements. The surveyors then use various techniques like traversing, leveling, and triangulation to gather detailed information about the highway's features. The creation and upkeep of road networks depend heavily on highway surveyors. These surveyors' presence in Sector 44 in Gurgaon is crucial to the efficient operation of the roadways. Surveys must be conducted by these experts in order to get information on the local roadways. They gather data regarding the state of the roads, the flow of traffic, and any potential dangers that would need to be addressed through this process. Due to the area's rapid urbanization and growth, Sector 44 in Gurgaon places a special emphasis on the work of highway surveyors. It is crucial to have precise information about the current highways when new infrastructure projects are being implemented. Making modifications to current roads or planning new ones is much easier with the use of this information. When measuring and mapping out the highways, highway surveyors make use of cutting-edge tools and methods to record information like height, slopes, and alignments. SCON Design is one business in Sector 44 in Gurgaon that specialized in highway surveying. They have a group of skilled surveyors who are familiar with the most recent surveying technologies. SCON Design is cognizant of the value of precise